Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our review of the all-new 2025 Suzuki X-90. This compact SUV has been making waves in the automotive world, and we're here to tell you why. From its sleek design to its impressive performance, we'll cover it all. So, let's dive in. Design elements. The X-90 boasts a bold and futuristic design. Its sleek headlights, with LED daytime running lights, give it a menacing look. The door handles are seamlessly integrated into the body, creating a smooth, aerodynamic profile. And the taillights? They're a work of art, with a unique LED light bar that adds to the car's overall visual appeal. Plus, its 18-inch alloy wheels give it a sporty stance that's hard to ignore. Key features. Inside, the X-90 is packed with features that'll make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Its 9-inch infotainment screen is intuitive and feature-rich, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Its advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking give you peace of mind. And with its premium leather seats and panoramic sunroof, you'll feel like you're driving in luxury. Price. The 2025 Suzuki X-90 starts at around $25,000, making it an affordable option in its class. With multiple trim levels to choose from, you can customize your X-90 to fit your needs and budget. Plus, its fuel-efficient engine means you'll save money on gas too. Performance aspects. Under the hood, the X-90 packs a punch. Its 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivers 200 horsepower and 220 lb-ft of torque, making it perfect for highway cruising and city driving. Plus, its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and control, so you can tackle any road with confidence. Unique selling points. So, what sets the X-90 apart from its competitors? For starters, its available hybrid model offers exceptional fuel efficiency. Plus, its industry-leading warranty and maintenance package give you added confidence in your purchase. And with its spacious interior and generous cargo space, you'll have room for all your gear. That's it for our review of the 2025 Suzuki X-90. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this amazing vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.